In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete channel on Slack. By the end, you'll know exactly how to review a channel, clean it up, and permanently remove it when you're confident it's no longer needed. I'll walk you through the same clicks you'll see in the Slack desktop or web app, and I'll add quick context along the way so each choice makes sense. Before we start, a quick note. You'll need the right permissions to delete a channel. If you don't see an option I mention, check with your workspace admin. Open Slack and head to the channel you want to remove. Take a second to confirm it's the correct channel. Check the name, purpose, and recent messages, so you're not deleting the wrong space. Once you're sure, open the channel's menu by clicking the three dots next to the channel name in the header. From that menu, choose Leave Channel. This simply removes you personally from the conversation, so you can proceed with cleanup steps without adding new messages or activity. If Slack asks you to confirm, go ahead. With the channel still open, click Open Channel Details in the header. That slides out the Channel Details panel where you'll find everything you need to manage the space. If you still see a Leave Channel option here, click it to ensure you're fully out. Next, switch to the Members section in that panel. You'll see a list of everyone who's still in the channel. For each remaining member you want to clear out, open the three-dot menu beside their name and choose Remove from Channel. This is helpful housekeeping. It prevents new activity and confusion while you finalize the deletion. Now, return to the top of the Channel Details panel and switch between the tabs to review the channel's setup. Open integrations to see any apps, bots, or connectors tied to the channel. This is a good moment to note if anything important depends on the channel, so you can reconfigure those tools elsewhere later. When you're done reviewing, move over to the Settings tab. This is where you'll find the archive and delete controls. First, click Archive Channel for everyone. Archiving freezes the channel so no new messages can be posted, but the history stays available for reference. Many teams use archiving as a safer first step when they're not completely certain about removing a channel forever. With the channel archived, you'll also see the option to delete this channel. Click that to begin the final removal process. Slack may show a reminder that archiving is usually the better option. You might see a link to archive a channel instead. If you decide you're not ready to delete, click that archive link to step back. Otherwise, continue to the confirmation screen. On the confirmation, carefully read the prompt and then check the box that says, "You understand this is a permanent action." This ensures you're fully aware that messages, files, and history will be removed and can't be restored. If you want a final pause to double check anything, maybe to export a key message or verify with a teammate, click Cancel to exit without deleting. When you're ready, return to the deletion screen, confirm the checkbox, and click Delete Channel to complete the process. After Slack finishes, close the panel by clicking the X. The channel will no longer appear in your sidebar or search results, and members won't be able to access it. If you needed the content for records, make sure you captured it before deletion. Once it's gone, it's gone. That's it. You reviewed the channel, removed members, confirmed integrations, archived to pause activity, and then completed a permanent delete with a clear, deliberate confirmation. Follow the same flow anytime you need to retire a channel that's outlived its purpose.